So if you want to grow a YouTube channel in 2026, all you really need to do is just find something that you really enjoy making videos about and just make lots of videos about them. But make sure that it's a very specific thing each time. This is the way that I've grown like 5 different YouTube channels by now. Millions and millions of views, like hundreds of thousands of subscribers across all of them. And it really is just very, very simple. It always comes down to the same 2 things. Find something really specific and post about it, and then do it consistently over a period of time to a standard of a reasonable standard of whoever's doing well in that niche. Say, for example, you want to do a football channel. Go and look at the top 5 football channels, see what they're doing, look at the standard of quality that they set, and then basically make videos in that niche to a similar standard of quality with your own style, and do this over a period of time, and you will grow yourself a YouTube channel. Everyone likes to complicate this and say there's a million things that go into it. And yes, there are lots of small components that you can do to optimize your videos and make them better. But overall, these are the 2 key pillars, the key components that are going to make the YouTube channel work over the long term. It doesn't have to be more complicated than this, but you can get more granular with the amount that you edit your scripts for retention loops and, make sure your hook in the first 30 seconds is good. All these things, of course, do matter. But if you don't have a clear, very consistent niche every single video, and you don't post consistently over a long period of time, you're never going to give yourself the chance for this to actually happen. And I've done this many, many times with many channels. All you need to do really is just find something really specific and keep posting in there. And then once you find something that works, you can iterate, you can make things better, you can add the little bits of sprinkle of your own taste into there. You can add the things in that make you unique as a creator, which I think personally really helps. For example, I do have a Warhammer 40k YouTube channel I started a year ago. It's got 10,000 subscribers and like 3 million views. And all I did for that channel was just post Warhammer 40k lore, about stories about the characters and breaking news about the lore and the characters. And I just posted a video every day for a year because I really enjoy it. I like reading about it anyway. I read all the books. So basically I just go and write scripts about the stuff that's happening in the lore, post it. And then after about 2 or 3 months, I started getting subscribers. And then I saw the kinds of characters people were most interested in, the things that people were most interested in. And then I just made more videos about those. And then they got loads and loads of views. And then now I just do mostly videos about the Emperor of Mankind, which always perform really well. Videos about breaking news in the lore, which always perform really well. And then I'll do the occasional video about some of the more popular characters that do well as well. And then very occasionally, I'll put a new video out to test the waters with new stuff. And this is basically all I did with it. And it's now at 10,000 subscribers after a year, and it's growing really nicely. And I think probably in a few years, it might even get up to 100k or so if it keeps growing at the rate that it is and it starts to accumulate and climb. But this is all I did. I did this with a cryptocurrency channel as well. I've got a cryptocurrency channel that's got like 25,000 subscribers that I'll link down below as well. All I did for this was very specific niche, cryptocurrency, technical analysis of charts, and just price predictions for where the charts might go. Very specific niche. And then I just posted every day for like 5 years. And now I get tons and tons of sponsorship deals for cryptocurrency and all kinds of other affiliate stuff, just because the channel is nice and big and I've got a nice dedicated following base that will follow me around for my affiliates, get loads of volume on exchanges, make money from affiliate marketing. And I do make some money from the videos on YouTube as well. But I created another business there that was very simply just created from the fact that I just posted consistently about a thing for a period of time. People finally started to get shown the videos because YouTube algorithm knew who wanted to see them. And then I just kept posting and posting. And this is it. These are the 2 components that you need to grow on YouTube. I'm not going to complicate it any more than that. I'm going to keep saying this every single day until people start to listen, because this is all that matters on YouTube, in my opinion. Like I said, you can, get in there, get more granular with your scripts, etc. But this is the only thing that's really going to grow your YouTube channel. And I hope that you do it.